Hello, this is Betty from Betty's Harvest Right Freeze-Dryers group on Facebook. I have 4 trays of yogurt that I prepared in 4 different ways. I spread 1 tray of strawberry yogurt and then pressed some animal crackers over the top of the yogurt, froze it for about an hour or less, and then cut it into the squares, separating the animal crackers. And this tray, I mixed some Cheerios in with the yogurt, stirred it up really well, put it into some silicone molds that were shaped like little granola bars. Let that freeze for about an hour or so, and then cut those into smaller pieces. Oops, sorry. And then I have this tray of pretzel sticks that I dipped in strawberry yogurt. It was a little bit messy. That's why I decided to mix some broken up pieces of pretzels into some yogurt on another tray in a previous video that I did. And then I had some silicone molds that were really small, miniature ice cube trays that I pre-posed some yogurt into, and those were a little tricky getting out of those trays. But that's okay. Kind of a fun load. Makes for nice small bites to give babies or pets as a treat, either one. I like these pretzels. Let me taste one of those all dried like that. Look at there, what a nice little treat. Crunchy, sweet, tangy, all in one. There's the inside of that, you can see. What a pleasure. These took about 30 hours to freeze dry in my Harvest Right Home freeze dryer. If you'd like to learn more about freeze drying at home, come check out my Harvest Right Home freeze dryer videos, and the link will be in the description box to my Facebook group. Thank you for watching.